While we have been waiting for OnePlus to launch OnePlus 8T, in the meantime, the rumors for another OnePlus device has also been started. OnePlus is going to launch the next phone in their Nord series, and according to current rumors and leaks, it will be OnePlus Nord N10 5G. OnePlus Nord N10 5G is not going to be any flagship phone from OnePlus, as we all know that even the OnePlus Nord was in the upper mid-range segment with Snapdragon 765 SoC. So in short, this Nord series is just a mid-range series from OnePlus, but honestly it provides you really best specs which a mid-range smartphone should have. So for now we don't have any leaked images or renders for OnePlus Nord N10 5G, but a couple of specs. OnePlus has already stepped up in the mid-range segment in this year, and that's not surprise that we will be getting more mid-range smartphones in their Nord series, as this is an whole different series of OnePlus smartphones. So talking about specs, then just like the OnePlus Nord, this OnePlus Nord N10 5G will also be having 90Hz Full HD Plus display, but with screen size of 6.49 inches, while the screen size of OnePlus Nord was 6.44 inches. So really a minor difference. OnePlus Nord N10 5G will also have quad camera setup just like OnePlus Nord, but we don't know design whether it will be in that same vertical alignment or any other shape. So this camera setup includes a 64 megapixel primary lens combined with 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, 2 megapixel depth sensor and another 2 megapixel macro lens. This OnePlus Nord N10 5G will be the first ever OnePlus device to have 64 megapixel sensor. Even the OnePlus 8 series has 48 megapixel sensor. Talking about the processor, then it is going to be Snapdragon 690 5G processor, which is a brand new processor from Qualcomm in their 600 series. And bonus here is this, that it is also 5G. So in a mid-range smartphone that will cost under $400, we will have 5G. That's super impressive. There will be just a single RAM and storage variant, 6GB with 128GB internal storage. The phone will be priced under $400. Yes, according to Android Central, it will be under $400 OnePlus device. So I am really excited to see this device in action. OnePlus might be launching this device shortly after the launch of OnePlus 8T that will be launching at the end of this month or in the first week of October. Do let me know what do you think about this OnePlus Nord N10 5G smartphone. Subscribe to the channel and I'll catch you in the next one.